spiritual alignment. Alignment ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Have you seen body alignment, ಗಾಡಿದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅಲೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಅಂತ. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ನಾನು 20 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್. Spiritual alignment is a very, very big topic, but I want to make it very simple. I will. Youngsters should take it very fast. They should not think too much. Alignment is, in the same line. Got it? You got what the meaning of alignment? It is in the same line. So, last 20 years back, I found this, started working on this. Why we are all here? To bring some change. Hello? Is it right or wrong? Yes, right or wrong?
Right.
So, we want to bring change in ourselves. That's why we are here. Otherwise, we would have been somewhere seeing movie or something like that. Okay? So, why we do meditation? We go to meditation, we go to so many ashrams, we come here, do that. So many circus we do. And we are yet get stuck. Dvandva, dualities, so many problems we have. No? Whether I get peace here in art of living, whether I get peace in pyramid. You got it? So, where is the peace? Peace is here. You are searching. It's your mistake. Okay? It's your searching. Who is mistake? Your mistake. Patriji never said go and search. By the way, give a big hand to Patriji. Okay. He is here in Bangalore. I met him 2 days last Friday before. So he always says that why we want to do all this. We want to bring a change. Why we are human beings? We are people with wisdom. Okay. We know what is good or what is bad. Correct or not? ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದೇನು ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದೇನು ಎರಡೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. That is why we are human beings. Otherwise, we will do whatever not needed also. Okay? You see the news, how many bad news you get. There are people who are doing it on their own. Whatever they want, they will do it. Okay? They will become criminals. You cannot be anti-social. You have to be you have to do according to the Constitution. So, there are two things. One thing is personal level, another is organization. Let us not. We are very, very. Some people think that meditation model. They should not be work. They should not work efficiently, or they should go away from material world. All that stuff we have. Sorry, nothing. He works with IBM. I am still a builder. Okay. So there's nothing. Everybody should work. There's in I don't know Gadane, Udyogam. I don't know Purusha like three Purusha actually. Okay. We should not generally talk about Purusha. It is actually Udyoga means what? You need to be occupied. Body, everything, it should be used. A farmer will go and do his work. A software engineer go and do something. Okay?
Sorry for interrupting. Krishna said yoga is karma kavacham.
So, why we work? Why we work? We can always sit now, meditate. No, it is not that. You have to use your body. You have to use your mind, you have to use your intellect, you have to use your ego in the right way, you have to use your feelings, you have to... Why we get married? Because we are human beings, we are with emotions, we are not drive rock, okay? We need a share, we need to share a companion. Why we get married? So, everywhere you have thoughts, you have feelings, we have... one more problem we have is internal talk. Because I have worked, I myself was a victim. Timayaji is helping me to come out of it. Hyper talking inside. Too much of talking inside. It's verbalization of all the thoughts. Whatever happening, you talk. So, what happens inside? Inner talk. Inner chattering, we call it. What is that? Every minute it happens. Every minute it happens, inner chattering. What is that? Without your knowledge, it will happen. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ this movie who has acted this movie was better ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಥಾಟ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ರೋಡ್ is not okay the ministers are not okay everybody is The police are not working. Fact is something you build up the story around. So that is called inner communication. Just as traffic block, you have so many thoughts you will get it correct. Whatever traffic block, ಎಷ್ಟು thoughts for them get, you curse everything. But instead of that, accept traffic block. I went from Whitefield to Vijayanagar yesterday, for your information, sir, 1.5 hours. Can you imagine? Unless you are a Buddha, you will not go mad. You will go mad here. Bumper to bumper traffic. You need to accept when you are in Bangalore, when your roads are narrow, when you have a the two potholes which can take the alto sort of a car inside. It will wobble up the altos. After inner communication, outer. Speak, chill. How we speak, that is the secondary. Then what we do out of hands. And what we take decisions. You can read out there. I have written. Okay. Some of you want to write, you can give the sheet. So, thoughts, feelings, inner communication, outer communication, that's what we speak. And actions. I want to run this satsang means, I have to send SMS, I have to talk to people, I have to call people. I have been running for last 10 years here. But there is always some activities takes place, some actions is there. Okay? Okay? Somebody comes and sit, put chairs, somebody, all that is a part of action. I have to act. And there's a time factor is there. Can you see thoughts, feelings, inner communication, outer communication? Is a personal level. Everybody undergoes that. Ellaru is there. But organization level go be. Those who are running organization or working in the organization, you see, you need to have a vision. Unless you have a vision in of your organization, why you are building this organization? I want Mother Teresa had want to help poor people. Her vision was there. But she alone, our brother Manidu, so many thousands of people joined her after she herself started doing it. Okay? Not one person. One person, if you dedicatedly do it, hundreds will join. Okay? You don't know. No. How people will come. People will come. Patriji was alone 20 years back. Is he alone today? No. You all know, no? How many people are there. Wherever he goes, he gets such a arousing welcome. So, a vision should have mission. That means we need to collectively do it. RK mission, Chinmaya mission. It is not Ramakrishna umbrella. Mission. Mission means it is an activity. Okay? Vision is a dheya, like a constitution. Okay? Kayakave Kailasa, constitution. Kayakana ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಬೈಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಕೆಲಸ, ದೇವರ ಕೆಲಸ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ if they are doing, that is a secondary issue. You need to take that as a sarkaರದ ಕೆಲಸ. Public work is God's work according to constitution. But they should follow it. That will not become a mission. That's the problem. Only vision is there. It is only in the print. And passion. Passion andre ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? It is the one thing which is got that ಛಲ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? How many people know about Bhagirath ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ? Bhagirath ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ. You know the story of the Sagaras, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, and they will be cursed. They went in search of that Ashwamedha, they see Kapila Muni, they will curse, they will get burnt. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಕರ್ಸಿದಾಚೆ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ದ ಗಂಗಾ ಗೆಟ್ ಟಚ್. ಗಂಗಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾತಾಳ. He makes, after thousands of years, there is a Bhagirath. You know? So, what? He takes a oath that I am going to pay. And then get that patal. And that Samudra illa khali aghodide actually. The whole Samudra is empty because of the curse. So, nobody can take the force of Ganga. Then he did tapas on Shiva. Okay? The Shiva gives, I will take first, then I will give you a reduced intensity. Okay? He takes it. So this is a story. He goes it, and all of them get moksha. That is a story. But why we call it as Bhagiratha Prayatna? That means human effort. Okay? But you need divine intervention, is a different. But passion is chala, Chanakya Pratignya. Chanakya had passion. Okay? He aligned with whom? Aaron. You know, Chandragupta. Chandragupta is a missionary. He had the missionary zeal. Who? Chandragupta. And Dharma Samstapana was the vision of Krishna also. Krishna never fought. Yavattu ayudha tergila. He didn't, unless it is an emergency. In Shishupala, 100 ridicules he waited. Then he opened the Brahmastra. Like, okay? Then only strategic is very little. Dharma Samstapana was done through Pandavas. The Pandavas were the missionaries. The vision was Dharma Samstapana. Okay? The same way, you all have family visions. We should have family vision. Do we have? We don't have. He's right. I want to be happy with my family. How? Complaining against each other, majoring on minor things, sudden chick major things are ignored, minor things are fought. A lot of bad things have happened. You have seen. So what is the vision statement of your family? 4 people are there, 4 in different directions. Here is your vision, mission, passion. The moment you go home, all your energy gets drained. Why I am seeing, looking at her eyes, looking at her face, come down. Instead of that, can you make a vision statement of a family? Can you make a vision statement? Yesterday I was in a Zephylias, I don't know. It is a corporate company. They called me just to meet. No, if you allow me to teach meditation for all your employees, then only I'll come. Because I have a lot of respect for you, so please come to my office. I will come and meet you. One more condition is, I have to teach meditation for 50 people which are working. So I don't have a place, corporate room and all, conference room. Wherever they are sitting, I will let them meditate. You can see the video, maybe it will be uploaded next week. So it is all. I did it. Everybody was surprised. So when you have the passion to do it, things will open up. Now how can I do it? There is no place. There should be a hall. I should be a pedestal. Come on. These are all the things which, no. If you really have the passion, ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಛಲ ಇದ್ರೆ, you will do it. But if you don't have the passion, it is like you have a drive, you have an engine, you have a beautiful car, but you are not putting petrol itself. What is the use? The passion is the petrol. You need to put. Vision is the direction, mission is the horse you ride on it. Horse or vehicle. Passion is what? Is the rider itself. You have to be passionate. Unless you are a chala bit miki, ella idru waste. You may have a beautiful vision, beautiful people around you, but you know you are all are meditators. Like this. Who said meditators are all useless people? They should be like this, sannyasis. Please, please, please check out. Ask her, she will tell. Ask Timayaji, she will tell. Ask Mohan. We all do so much of work. We never waste our time. You don't know. We bifurcate our time. You know that? So why? When you have that zeal with you, you will do it. Then where is the time to do all that? Shall I show you time? I will do one class on priorities. I will do a one. I wanted to do it. We said 24 hours, we don't have time. I will show you what is how many gaps you have. Okay. So much of gaps you will be having. Still we said we don't have time. But the problem is you don't have communication. You have communication gaps. That is the reason you have a lot of time you have to spend to wrong communication gaps fill up ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ time ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. Work ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Just see in families, see in organizations, see individually also. Okay. Unless you have that alignment, Last 20 years, Tirumaya 10 ವರ್ಷ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫು. I have been really making a lot of effort to bring in change even till today. Not that I have become Buddha, I am close to Patriji, no, you are become something big. No. At every level you need to learn. Once upon a time you are an employee, correct? Now you have become the boss. As an employee you have different problems. But as a boss you have different problems, different challenges. Don't think that challenges at employee level is same as challenges at I pity at some politicians. Now ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ. They may really want to bring a different, but the system don't allow them. So vision, mission, passion, decision you take. You know how much of problem we have making decisions. Facts and figures ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Facts, ಅಂಕಿ ಅಂಶ 50 ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. And some people are instinctive decision. Without collecting data they take decision. That's called gut feeling. Again, that is one idiotic approach. They have but sometimes it works. Sometimes they lose. So decision making, especially when I come across, I got with Tirumaya how many times I don't. I've eaten his brain. What to do. Okay? So, you have to take decision if you want to forward. If you want to move forward, you have to take decision. Correct? You have taken a decision to come here. That is why you are here. Correct? No? Otherwise, you would have been sitting in your house seeing something, market. Observe your thoughts. Observe your feelings. Observe your inner talk. Observe your outer talk. ಮೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ. Your actions, activities, decisions you take personally and in what time. ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ದಿನ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ 2 ದಿವಸ ಆದಮೇಲೆ, 1 ವಾರ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ತಿಂಗಳಾದಮೇಲೆ. I mean, that is the definition we have here. We don't respect time. That is the reason somebody was telling, we have beautiful values here, but no. Really we don't give value for time. Okay? Please, you have to give importance to time. Ultimately what you want, lastly I have written results. Okay? Even in your organization, please change it as organization and family. Both are same. You need to have organization vision, you need to have family vision. All the 4 members are to be involved. It's your family, your mother, 5 people are there. It's our family, what we should have, how we should communicate. There should be some common grounding. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು? Unfortunately, TV ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. TV is our mother, TV is our father. No counseling, nothing, no love, no sharing. Where they meet, nothing. Actually, given a chance, they need 5 TVs. Because 5 channels they want to watch. Channel vishike murders have happened. You believe it? I know it. Please. So, organization, try. Give it a try. Because Stephen Covey has beautifully devised this. 20 years back, and I am working on this spiritual alignment. My next book, ಯಾರೂ ತುಳಿಯದ ಹಾದಿ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇದು ಇದೆ, ಅಲೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಪಥ ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಜಪಥ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ there is no other path. Because ಅವರು ನೋಡಿ, he is 70. Last 2 days I am with him for some hours. Yesterday I was with him for 2 hours. Day before is a half a day. What he has undergone is an experience for me. Correct, no? Why should I reinvent what he has done? Why not become wise? You are not wise. We are otherwise. No. I'll put here my hand, get a shock. No. I also want to put it. Please. Oh. That is why you learn. But it's like costly. If I put it here, because okay. But if you put it on 880 volt or some 11 kV wire and all, you will become Shava, not Shiva. Shiva is gone. So, personal and organization and family, they are not different. Action, time, results. Ultimately, you want results. Astina, whatever, what do you want? Why you want to come here? You want something. You want to become a better person than you are, right? As a result. Or you run an organization, you want money. Correct? You want more profits. Why you eat food? You want to feel nice. Correct? Every goal has a result, okay? But we take only conventional roads. That is, ನಾನು ಬರಿತಾರ ಬುಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರೂ ತುಳಿಯದ ಹಾದಿ ಅಂದರೆ very few people go on that path. You don't try it. You don't try out. Because if you bring alignment, ನೆನ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಜಿನೂ ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ದುಷ್ಟ ಚತುಷ್ಟಯ ಏನು ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಒಬ್ರಿದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ದುರ್ಯೋಧನ, ದುಶ್ಯಾಸನ, ಕರ್ಣ, ಶಕುನಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಏನೇನು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾರ ಅವರು ಟಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ದುಷ್ಟ ಚತುಷ್ಟಯ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಚಿತ್ತ ಚಾಂಚಲ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಈಗೋ, ಅಹಂಕಾರ, ಬುದ್ಧಿ, ವಿವೇಕ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವೇಕ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದುಶ್ಯಾಸನ, ಅಹಂಕಾರ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ದುಶ್ಯಾಸನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ದ್ರೌಪದಿ ಸೀರೆ ಹೇಳೋರು ಮಾತ್ರ ದುಶ್ಯಾಸನ. ಸಾರಿ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದುಶ್ಯಾಸನಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ದುಶ್ಯಾಸನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಇದು ಅಹಂಕಾರ. ರಾವಣ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಕ್ಷತ್ರಿಯ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ರಾಮ. ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Duryodhana was a greater Kshatriya. He had more power than Bhima or somebody. But because of his ahankara, he lost all the power. Aviveka. Ahankara, aviveka ಎರಡು ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇವನ ಎಂಥ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳೇ ಎಂತೆಂಥವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸೀನ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ aviveka and ahankara. Maybe these kind of sessions will bring some viveka in you, will remove the ego, will remove the ahankara, okay? That is the reason why we are here. That is all the result you want. Ultimately, last is your spiritual. The whole alignment should be based on spiritual life. Okay? If adhyatmika ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ವೈ ಯು ಅರ್ನ್ ಮನಿ? ಮನಿ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್. ಡು ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್? ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ಸರ್, am I right or not? It is called currency. Currency means current. Current should flow, but we have blocked it. Correct? We have blocked it for whatever selfish reason. We block food. Somebody blocking, hoarding food, hoarding money. We receive some of the black money which ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ರು. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ವಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ಇಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 20 years, at least 10 years, at least 5 years. wrapped up. ಅದು ಗಾಳಿನೇ ಓಡಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. They are wrapped. They don't want to show. They're so scared. It's called. So once it is moving, it's called currency. If I have 1 rupee, 1 rupee irutte nannadu itkonಡ್ರೆ. If I give it to Mohan, it will become 2. If it goes to Raghavendra, it becomes 3. It becomes 25 rupees. You know that? But if it is with me, only 1 rupee. Problem ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? Just leave that. Let us go back today. And he came early, Subhash. I was talking to him. So our approach is leadership. If you are not ready to lead, if you are not ready to lead, if you are not ready to lead, you will not do anything. ಬಾಣ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. You will get big bags, you will get bouquets, correct? I have undergone, ridiculous. So many people will talk against you. So many people. That is a test for you. Ridiculing, branding, Ratan Shetty ಅವರೇ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. All we have undergone this. Let us not indulge in self-pity. Rise like a phoenix. People will burn you out, especially in a place like Bangalore. He can burn you out. Cutthroat competitions. Okay? You don't know what methods they will be using. You know 2G spectrum, how the whole thing is lying on unethical foundations. Okay? Total thing is unethical. The whole system is involved. Okay? Who will blame whom? Judiciary will blame legislation. Legislation will blame the bureaucratic. The common man is affected, that's all. They are all rooted. It's all stationary. Okay. That's the reason Patriji made a decision to make Pyramid Party of India 99. He thought that unless some spiritual values is brought to politics, there is some solace for the country. Now we bija hakta ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. We don't know when our results will come. So our Pyramid Societies movement, I have released a statement, captioned, leaders are not born, they are made in PSSM. I don't know how many people have seen, okay, in my Facebook. Even in the last our coding we have made, leaders are not born, they are made in Pyramid Societies movement, because you are exposed to spirituality in a naked way, not sugar coated. I have to impress you and tell a lie. Sugar coated. Truth is something else. But Patriji is like a mirror. Either you are in or out. No ambiguity. ನೀನು ಒಳಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮನೆ ಆಚೆ ಇರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. You want to be in the spiritual path? Please don't confuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಪಾತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಪಾತ್ ಇರೋರು ದುಡ್ಡು ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಅವರು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಸಾರಿ, ಹೂ ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ, ಬಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಿವೇಕ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಭೋಜನ ಇದೆ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸೋರ್ ಥ್ರೋಟು, ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದುಬಿಡೋದು, ಆಯಿಲು ಅದು ಇದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮದುವೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಟು and next 1 week finished. Okay. Where is your viveka? The common sense is not a spiritual knowledge, it's a common sense. You have eating pleasure, but if you know what is the pain you are undergoing, immediately you leave. Ice cream, oh, so much of salads they have put. Yeah, it is an attraction. ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ತಿಂತೆ. So unless the alignment, as I thought, please tell loudly, because it is very very important. Thoughts, thoughts, feelings, inner communication, outer communication, our actions, time, results will form. And under a spiritual platform. Otherwise, ಅದು ರಾಜಪಥ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಅರಾಜಕ ಪಥ. It is not the Rajapatha, it is not the very effective way of working. And if you have an organization, please write a vision statement or a mission statement. Okay. All the 5 members of the Parallel family respect each other. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಇದಾದ್ರೂ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೋಪ ಬಂದಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಸುಮ್ಮನಾಗ್ತೀವಿ. These are the basic understanding one must have it. If one fellow is shouting, other fellow keeps quiet, at least for 5 minutes. Once the anger is gone, he is back. Okay? So we are all human beings. We all do mistakes. Okay? For that you don't take divorce. Okay? We have a lot of cases are like that. A lot of cases are like that. Just the simple thing that goes on, ego clashes. And your life is altered, your life is totally smashed. Just for simple things. Okay. So for that, what we need to is, Patriji always say that for every problem, the only solution is meditate first. You'll come to know what is the problem actually. Because the problem is only so much, but you have created so much of hype around it. You have made a big issue out of it. All the problem you ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Actually, it is not a big problem. When you meditate, like a onion peels, only so much. You become the bigger than the problem. Okay? Then only so much. That is why always from Buddha time. Buddha ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸರ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಎನ್ಲೈಟನ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಕಮ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟ್. ತಿಮ್ಮನವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.